Welcome to this video on the privatization of sovereign functions, focusing on the boundaries of federal immunity and the GEO Group's 2025-2026 jurisprudential landscape. We begin with the privatization framework, analyzing the transition of state authority to private enterprise and the resulting legal complexities. Core sovereign functions being privatized include detention, which involves the deprivation of liberty, security, maintaining order in facilities, and adjudication, the oversight of administrative processing and transport protocols. Looking at the GEO Group's operational reach, estimated 2025-2026 metrics show extensive capacity across U.S. secure services, international facilities, community reentry, and electronic monitoring. The doctrine of federal immunity centers on derivative sovereign immunity rooted in the Yearsley Doctrine. This involves an analysis of actual conflict, limits of the discretionary function exception, and the government contractor defense. A critical tension exists between state and federal jurisdictions under the Supremacy Clause. Courts are determining if states can effectively veto federal enforcement by banning private detention contractors. Key 2025-2026 legal precedents include the conflict immunity standard, intergovernmental immunity, and increasing judicial scrutiny on the discretionary threshold of corporate actions. Diverging legal interpretations involve the strict liability view, arguing private entities should not inherit immunity, and the agency equivalence view, which claims immunity is necessary to prevent prohibitive contracting costs. A comparative analysis of state mandates shows varied legal statuses and operational impacts across California, Washington, Illinois, and federal mandates, demonstrating complex jurisdictional dynamics. Market volatility trends, shown here as an equity value trend analysis, illustrate the impact of federal court rulings on the industry, indicating a jurisprudential recovery after a 2023 policy crisis. Our strategic outlook involves charting the path forward amidst heightened judicial scrutiny and complex intergovernmental relations. Thank you for your attention to this critical analysis of privatization and federal immunity boundaries. This final slide lists the image sources used throughout this video.